Alright, SkeedTV. We just pulled up the waterfall. As you can see, it's pretty busy out here today. So, let's see what we're in store for. Hopefully it's good. But pretty much everything on the tour has been great today, so I expect it to be great. Take you on a little walk with us. Why you say that? Oh.
Also could be crazy. Wow. Totally could have made that up.
Take y'all just on the walk along. I might not have crazy amount of commentary on the walk along. I'm trying to get better with that. Try to let the place speak for itself.
They're using the wood.
Oh, that's crazy.
Is there like one pool or are there multiple pools?
I think one pool only.
Hmm.
Up there.
Yeah.
Oh, so there's a pool up there.
Yeah, an infinity pool.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I'll let you go in front. Waterfall, pathway, concrete road, river, camping ground. As y'all can see, this looks like the map of it. Looks nice. I'm gonna get a little short of this for a second. Wow. Alright. That's the entrance. Why you make that face?
These steps are for people like your height. Holy crap.
Yeah, they are a little steep. There are definitely some steep steps. I'm down, I'm about 6'2" and I'm jumping.
So imagine how your class will see things.
Yeah. Oh shit, boy. Yeah, that's shit. I should have put the MBs on. I should have put my MBs on.
Steep.
Oh yeah. Some steep steps. Be prepared. What type of spider is that, boy?
Where?
Right there on that side. Go. There's something on your side. Y'all see this spider there? What is that?
No, but you traumatized me talking about spiders here last night.
That's what they said. They out here. They said they was out here. Did y'all see them spiders on the internet when they was saying people want to go to Bali and then they got all them spiders everywhere?
No, we don't have no poison.
See,
No, not poisonous spiders.
big,
like I was on TikTok and stuff like that, and they were like, you go to Bali and then it was all like a whole bunch of spider webs and stuff.
But they are not really dangerous, you know.
Yeah.
As long you don't take it. You not take it.
Yeah. Ooh. Alright. It is a little bit of a walk, so any elderly people watching, you might want to watch. And just be careful.
Okay?
It's okay, go for it.
Little bridge. Oh, almost tripped.
I know my shoe got stuck up in the
Oh, that's a little walking stick.
Thank you for the flowers.
Holy.
Last video.
What?
Not this one. There's another one.
Oh, it's not. Oh, that's why you said boy. Hold the Osmo for a second. No, you could go. I'm gonna get a short. I can keep
Oh.
walking. I was gonna get a short around there.
What's up, SkeedTV? You're stuck with me now. We're not going, obviously not going that way. SkeedTV, you almost went in the water. I almost dropped you. I almost dropped SkeedTV.
Oh no, can't have that.
I almost walked in the temple.
Can't have that. Well, these are some steep steps. I should have put the MBs on, y'all. I ain't gonna.
You could do anything in birds.
And shit. These is brand new bursts. Feel like I'm walking on stones. I didn't know Birkenstocks was this uncomfortable when you first get them. You gotta break them shits in like a baseball glove. Excuse me. Oh, that was a crazy butterfly. Never seen a butterfly like that. This is great. Little Radley Bridge. Ooh, this small.
Like the way, like Donkey on Donkey when I go across the bridge on Shrek.
Oh. She says like the bridge on Shrek when it starts swinging.
There's clearly a weight limit on that.
Oh yeah. Deli. Your big ass cannot get on there. You gonna fall through.
No, I think that's on my cousin.
This is a little vibe though. This is the type of thing I'll take a shorty to. Like, let's go walk, baby. Wanna see the world, baby? Let's see the world.
So we went to Iceland a few years back, so like my expectations from waterfalls are like pretty high up. So when I saw that, I was like, oh my god.
Change this turn, Brad.
Por una. Muy bien.
Sí. Pura ciudad. También la ciudad por la...
Got a whole group. They ganged up. This is amazing scenery. Amazing scenery. We really in the jungle. Excuse me.
Carreras porque hacen competition. ¿Cómo?
It is very busy today, like he was saying. Said we almost there, so I'm getting treacherous for y'all in the birds. I'm getting treacherous for y'all in the birds, man. I need y'all to, you know, at least leave a like. At least leave a like for me. I'm out here being risky for y'all. Oh, this is hard. Oh, there goes a spider right there. Look, everywhere. That's what I meant, but they be sicker than this.
Ooh. Speaking of, I'm getting bit up.
You getting bit?
I got bit by something in here.
Oh yeah, you did. I mean, we brought the bug spray. I should have put it on too.
I put them on my ankles.
I wasn't thinking. Should have
In my
definitely.
backpack. Literally.
I know. Should put some of it on there. Look like they're doing some type of work over here, mining for something. I don't know if you would call that mining. I don't know what that look was for.
Changing room.
Oh, there's changing rooms. We forgot to bring our bathing suits. We went. I didn't plan on.
It's like that. Look how pretty that flower is.
I didn't plan on.
Look at the lily pads. I
Oh,
don't think I've ever
yeah.
seen a lily pad in person.
Oh wow, you need to get out more.
There's not lily pads in the Fort Orders.
I've seen lily pads. I don't know where I've seen them at, but I've seen them.
Oh, you a liar, like,
Well, I'm telling you, I've seen them. It's just hard.
oh, cute. Look at the little pool.
They got a little pool over this joint.
It's literally like a... Oh, look!
Oh, that's hard. That's a nice waterfall.
It's given... What is it?
Gogafall.
But usually the water more bigger than this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Is it more bigger during the wet season?
More bigger?
Yeah.
Boy, he said more bigger. His
Damn, bro, I
sister-
can't be informal, bro.
His sister's an English teacher. is what
I'm
he
not allowed to
said.
be informal on my video. This is crazy. This is like a little natural infinity pool they built it look like. I don't want to sacrifice the birds. I don't think I can make that jump. Y'all think I can make that jump? Am I tripping? I'm trying to find a way to make a jump across here without getting my feet wet. I want to. I was thinking about. I was trying to see if I can make that jump. You think it's going?
No, don't put them ones in
It's
there.
gonna
Take your
ruin
shoes
them.
off. Yeah, I'll hold them. Take your shoes off.
I don't want to take them off.
You want me to take this?
Yeah. Chan gonna get the Osmo for y'all.
He said no. He's being a diva. He's slightly high maintenance.
Look at that.
He changed his mind. Look at him. He changed his mind. You're still stuck with me, SkeedTV? I didn't even take my shoes off. These rocks will hurt my little feet. Watch, them rocks are deadly. Oh, wow.
Turn up there. Huh?
Yeah, I might. Beautiful. Is that her?
That was your phone?
That was your phone.
I had to say, y'all see, I done did it for y'all. I don't never do shit like that.
I think I changed my mind.
Hold these.
Wait.
I know I had to come get this for y'all. You know we waterproofing it. You hear what I mean? Huh? She. Oh yeah, I do got it.
All right.
I'm climbing up these rocks for y'all. Crazy. This is crazy. This is hard. Stand over there. Good one. Hold up, hold up. Take a video. This is crazy. I had to get this for you. Huh? Good? Sit down. Alright, so I'm getting this photo shoot for y'all right now. Huh? Good. Alright, y'all, I done got this photo shoot for y'all. Alright, now we gotta get down. Alright. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't like how it feels on my feet. But I had to do it for y'all, yo. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was ruining people's pictures. I ain't mean. Oh shit, this shit hurt my feet like a motherfucker. Listen, if you come, definitely bring some water shoes, cause this shit hurt my feet. Hell yeah. Huh? It's sick?
I might have to go back over there.
Boy, this shit, boy. I did that for y'all, SkeedTV, and I don't never take my socks off, so y'all know.
That's why your feet so white.
That is why my feet are so wet.
Literally a whole different human.
I know.
Look at this picture. I'm really not to go back over there. I'm hot.
I'm gonna tap back in with y'all on the way back. Probably I'm gonna enjoy this, soak this up for a little bit. I did that for y'all, so like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the journey here. Peace.